Krisp not working on Google Meet? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your audio sounds messy during calls. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right. First, open Google Meet settings and make sure Krisp is selected as your microphone. I mean, if it's not selected, it won't process your audio. Next, also set Krisp as your speaker output. Yeah, this helps clean incoming audio too. Now open Krisp and make sure your real microphone is selected. I mean, wrong input means no sound. Okay? Turn off Google Meet's built-in noise cancellation. Using both can cause conflicts. Next, restart your browser and Krisp. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches. Also, make sure your browser allows microphone access. I mean, without permission, Krisp won't work. Now, update your browser and Krisp. Older versions can cause compatibility issues. And use Google Meet's test audio feature to confirm everything is working. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp not working on Google Meet. One of these steps should get your audio clean and clear again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Framer Mobile